One step ahead presence. Easy learning. For kids. Our topic is birds' beaks and claws. Before we start our topic, viewers, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for notification. Birds have no teeth, but they all have beaks and claws. Different kinds of birds have different kinds of beaks and claws. Beaks and claws tell us a lot about birds. Beaks help the birds to pick up their food and also to protect themselves from the enemies. The shape of a bird's beak is a clue to its main source of food. The shape of a bird's beak is designed for eating particular types of food such as seeds, fruit, insects, nectar, fish, or small mammals. Let's know more about different types of beaks. Strong hooked beak. Owls, eagles, vultures, hawks, kites and have strong, sharp and hooked beaks which help them to tear flesh into small pieces. Owls, eagles, hawks, vultures and other birds of prey that use their beaks to rip open flesh. They are usually meat eaters. Short, hard and horny beaks can be found in sparrows, pigeons, peacocks and finches which eat nuts, grains and seeds. They break their food into small pieces with their beaks. Parrots have hooked beaks. It helps them to crack nuts and hard fruits. The curved beak helps them to eat even hard and unripe fruits. Short and broad beak. Swallow, swift and nighthawk have short and broad beaks. Their mouths are very sticky inside. They go round and round in the air with their mouth open. They catch insects and flies which stick inside their mouth. Long and pointed beaks. Kingfishers and heron have broad, long and pointed beaks which help them to catch fish from the rivers and ponds. Birds like woodpeckers which make holes in the trunks of trees to pick insects have chisel-shaped strong and heavy beaks. The hoopoe has a long, slender and curved beak which it uses to pull out insects from holes in the ground. Sunbirds and hummingbirds have long, pointed and thin beaks. Their beaks help them to suck nectar or juice from the fruits and flowers. Duck and goose have broad and flat beak. This is used for digging up the mud underwater. The beak has got holes all along the edge. Water and mud go out along these holes and small plants or tiny water animals remain in the mouth. Now we will learn about birds' claws. Birds use their feet and claws in walking, climbing, holding foods, swimming and perching. Birds use their claws for self-defense also. The shape of their feet and claws depend on their food habit. Hawks, kites, eagles, vultures and owls have strong feet with long sharp curved claws called talons to help them capture, grasp and kill their prey. These birds are called flesh-eating birds. Perching birds have small feet with 3 toes in front and 1 toe pointing backwards. This helps them in clinging to branches. For example, sparrows, mynas, crows and pigeons. Birds like hens and pheasant have sharp and hard claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. They use their claws to scratch the ground for seeds and worms. Such birds are called scratching birds. They can walk and run on the ground. Ducks and penguins are the example of swimming birds. They have webbed feet. In these feet, fingers are joined with thin membrane, which help to push water during swimming. Ducks are good swimmers, but they walk slowly. Wading birds have long legs and widespread toes, which help to walk in shallow water in mud and wetlands in search of food. Crane and jacana are wading birds. Woodpecker and parrot are climbing birds. They have 2 toes pointing forwards and 2 backwards. These types of claws help birds to climb on trees to catch the insects.